Border crossing is a professional tactical fixed knife for surviving. It was originally designed for the military enthusiasts who love knives. The blade is made of 440C steel, and the hardness is about HRC 59. The handle is made of G10, shaped as German CNC design. It weighs 10.05 ounces. Blade length is 3.86 inches. Full length 9.45 inches. Six-sided three-dimensional process makes blade tip strong and sharp. The puncture force is very strong, and the cutting sharp. Thickness of the blade is 6 mm. When slashing and tapping, it is more labor-saving. The blade body and the handle are stone-washed. Surface is not easy to wear and corrosion resistance. It helps in various extreme outdoor environments. Finally, the case sheath is tactically designed, easy to carry and durable.
New from First Tactical, the Krait folder. As always, our folders come with the thumb bridge technology. Thumb bridge is the thumb plate, the thumb hole, and the scalloping, allowing you to gloved or ungloved hand open the knife in any critical situation. The steel, D2, a great metal, giving you a great edge that will last a long time. The blade itself, an angled grind, and the blade shape, not just a single accelerated curve, but it's a convex, complex curve, allowing you, when you're cutting material, that it forces the material into the blade, allowing for a quicker cut. The thumb clip, scalloped on one side, so it equalizes the pressure, pulling it in and out of the pocket. The clip itself only held in by 2 screws. There's no pressure on these screws because the clip goes in and dives in the material, which also allows for a deeper pocket set. And on the end, a small loop for a lanyard. In case you want to carry it tip up, you can attach that and have the lanyard hanging out of your pocket.
Is a unique folding knife with a one-piece frame designed by custom knife maker Alan Oleschwitz and finally crafted in the USA by Hogue Incorporated. It has been made possible by careful engineering, precise manufacture, and the use of high-end polymers, resulting in a light but tough knife that's easy to carry. The blade is made from 154 cm stainless that is cryogenically heat-treated for a lasting edge that is still easy to maintain. Each knife is honed by hand to a mirrored finish for exceptional cutting performance. It comes in either a drop point or a tanto profile with a high flat grind. A 3.5 or larger 4-inch blade length is available with a well-wearing stonewash finish. A finger groove and strategically placed jimping around the knife's edges ensure a dependable grip, and the end of the handle is pointed for use as an impact tool. For quick one-handed deployment, the EX-03 uses ambidextrous thumb studs. Once open, the blade is held in place by a strong button lock. Supported by a 1/4-inch pivot, oversized stop pin, and set into recessed stainless steel bolster plates, the mechanism offers outstanding reliability and a solid lockup. For added security, there's a manual safety that can be engaged to prevent accidental closure when the knife is open and in use. The bolster plates of the EX-03 are molded right into the innovative one-piece glass-reinforced PPS handle. PPS is a high-tech polymer that offers exceptional toughness and thermal stability. Due to the frame's material properties, the EX-03 mechanism provides a smooth, dependable action in all conditions every time you open it. All critical components are heat-treated for toughness and fitted with our custom hardware. For convenient carry and quick access, there is a tip-up or down pocket clip and a lanyard hole. Each Hogue knife is backed by 3 generations of manufacturing experience and our limited lifetime warranty. To view available models and
This is the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B, full-tang spear-point fixed-blade knife. Draped in covert black, the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B is a tactical and self-defense blade forged from high-carbon 7CR17 Mo-V stainless steel. The 12.1 centimeter blood-grooved black blade is dual-edged, providing bi-directional, razor-sharp cutting power along with a finely tapered spear-point tip. The full-tang design captures the high tensile strength of the blade's steel, carrying it through the full length of the 22.9 centimeter knife and forming the internal core of the ribbed black TPE handle. Top and bottom finger guard extensions distance your hand from the dual-edged blade. A lanyard hole in the handle's base can be used to tether the SWHRT-9B to your wrist for added security during tactical operations. A black leather boot sheath with reinforced stitching and sturdy steel clip provides discreet, ready access. A lightweight, tactical spear point blade. The SWHRT-9B is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.
Introducing one of the first titanium knives from Tech Evolution. This folding knife is 7 inches overall, with a 3-inch blade and 4 inches closed. This knife is equipped with many titanium features, including the front scale, the frame lock, the pocket clip, and the spacer. The 3-inch D2 steel drop point style blade is mounted on a ball bearing pivot system, and when deployed with the flipper, it's ice smooth. The super thin profile and a 4-inch handle makes this perfect for everyday carry. Each of the Tech Evolution titanium knives comes with this handy nylon pouch that when you're not using it, it makes for easy storage. Hi, welcome to the Master Cutlery Demo Room. For a lot of first-timers, there are a lot of questions on how to open and close a folding knife. Today we're going to show you how to use a folding knife equipped with a liner lock. With a liner lock, the locking mechanism is hidden within the handle. This particular knife is equipped with spring assist and also has a flipper and a thumb stud as 2 ways of deploying the blade. To use the flipper, apply pressure and the blade will do the rest. To use the thumb stud, push towards the side of the thumb stud and the blade comes out just the same. To disengage the blade, you want to push the liner lock towards the left and move the blade into the closing position.